Welcome to today's vlog. I am makeup free, barefaced, natural hair in a bun. I definitely wanted to vlog today and probably tomorrow, kind of like a weekend in my life, because I'm gonna be doing a few things this weekend that I think you guys might be interested in and might like. First and foremost, what I'm about to do right now is something that I have never done before, and that is try to twist up my entire hair. I want to do twists. I was watching Alyssa Ashley here on YouTube. She posted how she was doing her twists, and I was like, yes, I need to try it. It seems, I'm not gonna lie, I've never done my hair, so it seems a little difficult, but it also doesn't seem too bad. So I really want to try it. I have everything. I have the hair and all of that stuff. So we'll see how that goes. It's not going to be a step-by-step tutorial or anything like that. I'm just going to set the camera down while I'm doing it and like fast forward it, kind of speed it up so you guys can kind of see the progress, I guess you can say. And then I'll show you how it looks after, if it turns out right. And then I'm also expecting a package from Amazon. I ordered some contact paper that I think I want to use for our dining table. Ever since we moved in here, I've pretty much been neglecting our dining area, and like these chairs I kind of just got because we needed something, and then the table, I like the table but it could be better and all of that. So I got contact paper to see if I can make it look a lot brighter over there and a little more my style, because right now it's, the chairs are more of a traditional vibe, and then the table's a little more farmy but kind of modern. I don't know, I have to see how it ends up looking when I get that contact paper tomorrow. But let me go ahead and show you everything that I have kind of laid out right here to do my hair. Of course, I have a lot of clips because I'm gonna have to clip up my hair in different sections. So I just have like these, and then I have a few of the butterfly clips. This is the hair that I'm using. I have about 7 packs. This is pre-stretched hair. I got it in the color 2 just because my hair is pretty dark, but it's not full-on black. So I'm gonna try to see how many of these I end up using. Hopefully I don't have to use all of them, but you know, I have a few extra ones just in case. And then I also have these, which I've never used before. I know these are usually used for braids, but I'll see how they look with like twists. Of course, I have my olive oil eco styler gel, and then I also have this shine and jam. I got the honey one. I just wanted to get like a small little tube since I don't really use this. I'm just gonna use it for styling my hair right now. I think that's pretty much everything that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow out my hair so we can start on all of this. Okay, I'm barely halfway done and it's like 8:30. I started around like 3:30 or 4. It's coming along. Some I've had to retwist a few times, and I'm pretty sure after I'm gonna have to do a few more. But it's easy, but it's just time consuming. This is how it looks so far. I'm gonna try to finish, and then I'll probably show you guys tomorrow because I'm tired, my back is hurting, and I'm hungry. I haven't even ate yet, and it's like almost literally 9 o'clock. All right, next morning I'm about to jump in the shower. The twist lasted from like here down, but I do need to kind of retwist them at the bottom, and I need to re-dip them because I slept with them a little wet and they're kind of crinkly at the bottom. So I'm about to like wrap them, shower, so that way I don't have to wet them. I'm gonna put my shower cap on and then re-dip them, do my makeup so we can see the full effect and see how they look. They don't feel heavy, which is good. They actually feel super light. I just have to figure out a better way to like seal them, because I did dip them in like super hot water and then I put mousse. I ended up putting this mousse all over my hair to kind of seal the curls and like so they don't get the twists, so they don't get frizzy. But it's just the ends, like see how they look all like weird like that. Today's actually gonna be pretty fun. I'm getting ready because today's Saturday, so tomorrow's Mother's Day, and my sister was like we should do something for my mom today, that because she works tomorrow. So I'm gonna order some takeout, and then we're gonna surprise her later on, just at the house obviously. And then after that we're gonna drive by my cousin Rosie's house because she's doing like a drive-by parade for my niece and nephew's birthday. And so we're gonna drive by, bump some music, give them their little like gift, and just like say happy birthday, since obviously she wasn't able to do like a full-on party for them. So we have that going, so that'll be fun and exciting to do. Something a little different and a little more exciting than what everyday life has been as of lately. And then tomorrow's Mother's Day, which I don't think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I think this vlog's just gonna be Friday, Saturday. But I'm glad this weekend's a little more eventful because geez. I was also tracking my Amazon package. I'm supposed to get here within the next like hour or two. So by the time I get back from my mom's and my cousin's, then I should have that marble contact paper that I'm gonna add to the dining table. So hopefully that ends up coming out good, because I was just gonna get a new dining table in general. But here's the thing, if we probably will end up moving by the end of the lease, because like I was talking about this a little bit on Instagram, I think my story or on live, that first of all there's construction here every day from like 7 to like 3-4, and so when I film it's really hard for me to do so because there's a lot of like noise and stuff. So I'm kind of like, shoot, that's a little tough. It'd be different if I worked excuse me, if I worked from home and I didn't need like audio, you know, for my job or whatever, but I do. So that's a little tough, and it's not going to be done for a while. So I'm kind of like, okay, that's number one. Number two, I was also talking about how there's kind of like a lot of, I don't know, I want like the community is not really for us. And by community, I mean in here specifically, it's just not, I feel like we don't fit in. We do have we hear a lot of like domestic violence issues. So this is kind of like one of those things where it's like, we lived here, we experienced it, and that's how it is when renting. You just have to like find your perfect place. There's gonna be stuff everywhere you live when you rent, like noisy neighbors, or you know, it's always something. But I believe that you can find your perfect place to live, and that's kind of where we're at right now. I was telling him that the next place we move to, and I said this before I moved in here too, but you just don't know until you experience like living where you are. But I said this, at the next time we move, I want to stay there until we buy a house. So we're gonna have to be very particular about where we choose next, because I'm tired. I'm tired of I don't mind it actually. I like moving and having a different space and a different place to work with and redecorate, and I actually love that. So I'm not gonna lie, but I do like want to work towards getting a house, obviously, so we'll see how that goes. I don't even know how I got to that conversation. Oh, I was talking about the dining table. So yeah, I was gonna buy a whole like new dining table, and even in here, like I want to finish decorating and all of that, but then it's kind of like, if we move, I don't want to buy something that I'm gonna be like, okay, this doesn't go, or I want something different or whatever. So I'd rather just wait it out, be patient, and just wait and kind of find a different way to make it look nice. Our dining table's not bad, but you guys know how I am when it comes to like home decor stuff, so I just want it to look the way I envision. Another thing too that we were kind of like trying to figure out, our fridge doesn't have a water dispenser, so I was trying to see like what the best way to do it, and I was gonna get one of those big old water dispensers that have the 5-gallon jug and you just refill it. But that too, it's like, are we gonna buy it, and then if we move and we get a refrigerator that has a water dispenser, it's gonna be like pointless. So I forgot my camera at my mom's house when we went to my cousin's, when we passed by and drove by my cousin's house for my niece and nephew's like birthday parade. So there's that, but I had to go pick it up, and I went to Target. I had a pickup order, like a little drive up pickup order for the water pitcher that I ended up picking. I'll show you guys that right now, which one I decided to get. After all, a few people were telling me to get a faucet filter, the one that you attach to your faucet, but our faucet is the one with the hose, like you pull it out and it's thick. It's not like an average sink faucet, so we couldn't even do that. But yeah, obviously I'm back home, and I ended up getting my Amazon stuff. You can see that little pile of all kinds of stuff that I got. Before the sun goes down though, I do want to hopefully do the kitchen dining table. The sun's gonna go down soon, so I might have to end up showing you guys how it looks tomorrow, but I'll still show you how I'm doing it and what I'm doing, similar to that other, if you watch my other countertop video that went literally viral. I think it has like, I don't even know, I think it has like 1 or 2 million views, something like that. So let's start that. First things first, since it's getting dark, we got to turn on all the lights. Look it, before I do that, I got this plant and it's starting to grow, like this little leaf right here. Yeah, this one's starting to grow in right here, and then one back here, this little tiny one. Can you see it? Yeah, right there. I don't know what this one, I don't know if I'm supposed to like completely chop it off. It's like dead. It was like this when we bought it, but that one's growing in. And it's crazy because at night it like moves. Every single morning the plant looks different. So right here it looks like to the side, but I think it's like making room for the ones that are growing on this side, which is really cute. I'm trying to have more real plants in here. So this one is the first one, and we have one on our balcony too. Here is the before. It doesn't look bad, like I said. I have stuff on here, but I'm not, in the daytime it looks really dark in this corner, and I think it's because the table is darker. I was thinking of getting a white table, but now I'm like, okay, let's try it with the contact paper first and see how it looks. See, this is how it kind of like looks, which is not bad. It matches with the flooring, but because it matches the flooring, I think it's like a little darker. The chairs I want to get rid of in general. By the way, this table's from Living Spaces. I need to kind of clean it a little bit, but it's from Living Spaces. We get asked where it's from. It has like this spinning thing, which is cute. We don't really use that, but it's there. And it's a counter height table, so you can stand, and it's gonna hit you at like the waist. See how it hits me at the waist? Or you can sit. So that's why it's kind of hard to find nice chairs for this. You of course want to make sure it's clean. Not just that though, that you dry it too. All you need are like scissors, a card, so you can scrape off the bubbles, and then your contact paper. Of course, if you want to use like a measuring tape, you can use that too. Here's the result of the table. I think it looks good. What's throwing me off are just the chairs. The chairs have always thrown me off though. I don't know why I got them. I know why I got them. I got them because we needed something to sit on, and they were the like quickest shipping, inexpensive ones. But I really want to switch them out to more of like kind of like this style chair. Like there are some chairs that have this on the backing part of like that part. Because with these, I think they mesh too much with the color of the wall. I mean, I know that's what's throwing me off. But this is how the table turned out. Again, I'll show you guys in the morning how it looks. It did brighten up the space. Still need some new chairs though. So either I'm gonna look for some and keep those for whenever we do, and if we do decide to move, or I don't know. We gotta figure something out with that though for sure. Now I can do little unboxings on this table. But anyway, so I ended up getting the Pure water filter jug. I was stuck between this one and the Brita, but I ended up getting this one just because the container holds a little bit more water. So yes, this is a 30 cup one because in here it holds 18 cups, but then up here it holds the remaining water. So as you use the water filters through. That makes sense. Okay, so yeah, this is a 30. Sorry, it took me a little while there. Okay, this is a 30 cup one. So it holds a little bit more. I think it was like 25, 30 bucks or something like that. And if it's gonna fit perfectly in the fridge. I just need to buy a few more filters. And you're supposed to see it says perfect for on the go. Sorry, on the go, ice, baby formula, pets, coffee, tea, and cooking. It filters it. A lot of people say they like it, so I'm gonna try it out and hopefully we like it. Here's how the table looks in the daytime. I don't know, I'm still kind of like iffy. I don't know if I like it or if I just need to throw this table out basically. And then we have like flowers because today is Mother's Day. These really pretty flowers right here. And yeah, but I wanted to just kind of show you real quick how it turned out. You can't see the lines a lot, only if you're like super up close. But when you're back here, it looks fine. That's it for this vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed this little weekend, half weekend in my life. We are heading out to Darius's mom's house right now because it's Mother's Day. We're gonna go visit. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you all in my next video.